Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the mean of the following data is 38 and the sum of all frequencies is 100, then what is the value of y? So let's see. We are given that sum of all frequencies is 100. So this here is 100 summation of fi. Now we know mean of a group data is calculated as summation of fi mi, where mi is class mark or class midpoint of each class, and divided by summation of fi. So let's see we have to first find class midpoint, that is class mark of each class here. So let's see mi. So this is mi. Class mark for first will be 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, which is 15. Next is 25. Next is 35. Then we have 45. Then 55 and then 65. These are the class marks of each classes. Now next we have to find multiplication of fi mi, that is each class frequency with its class mark. So this is fi into mi. This will be 5y. Next will be, let's see, 14 5s are we have 70, 14 ones are 14 plus 7 21, so we have 210 here, 25x here, 35 multiplied by 14 is 14 5s are 70, 14 3s are 42 plus 7 is 49, so 490. Next is 450. Next is 14 5s are 70, 14 5s are 70 plus 7 is 77. Then we have 22 5s are 110, 22 6s are we have 132 plus 11 we get 143. So this is 1430. Now we'll add one more column here, which will give a summation of fi multiplied by mi. So let's see, 5y plus 25x is there. 5y plus 25x. It's there. Now we'll have to find the numerical addition. Numerals addition. So 210, 490, 450, all of them have unit place 0. So 0. 3 plus 7 we have, let's see, 3 plus 7 10 plus 5 15 plus 9 24 plus 1 25. So we have 25 here, so we'll write 5 in the unit place. 2 will be carried, so 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 4 is 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 2 is 23. Now 23, 3 will be here, 2 will be carried, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3350. Now we are given that all of these add up to 100, that is all the class frequencies. So x plus y plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 is 42. 42 plus 22 is 64. 64 plus 10 is 74. So we have x plus y plus 74 equal to 100. So we have x plus y equal to 100 minus 74, which is 26. So we can write x as 26 minus y. Now we have, let's see, mean is given as 38. Mean is given as 38. So 38 equal to summation of fi mi we got as 5y plus 25x plus 3350 divided by 100. So we can write this as 3800 equal to 5y plus 25 multiplied by 26 minus y plus 3350. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So let's see, we have 3800 minus 3350, which is equal to, let's see, 05734. So this is 450 equal to 5y plus, now we have to find 25 multiplied by 26, which is 25 6 are 150, 25 2s are, we have 50 plus 15 is 65. So we have 650 here minus 25y. So let's find what happens next. So we can have 20y. Okay, we can take y terms on the left side and numeral terms on the right side. So we have 5 minus 25, which is minus 20y. So when we take it to left hand side, we get 20y equal to 650 minus 450 is 200. So we get y equal to 10. So we got value of y as 10. This is the answer.